child is to be employed in a small industry. Do you think in such a small age, he will be able to cope up with all these pressures which is imbibed by his employer? No. I say, in such an innocent age, child should be encouraged to study and try to make arrangements for his play also. He should not be curbed by his parents to go for and earn for their households. He should be given appropriate chances to come up with his studies, play, and live his childhood days very pleasantly.
Really, my friend, I really want to support your point by saying again, citing a very small example that we face in day-to-day life. We prefer eating apples that are kept in refrigerator, having a nurture environment. Then why we are pushing our future of India to such a lackluster and such a tough environment when these are the days to develop them, to give them skills, to give them a nurtured environment so that they can grow. As we all know that diamonds come out from coal mines. Who knows that the children that are serving in restaurants, that are doing child labors, that are taking a bricks in the industries and sites, that they can be like APJ Abdul Kalam, they can be one of Dhirubhai Ambani's. Who knows that?
In most of the cases, children are not well versed all about all these things because they are financially weak and they cannot go for higher education or to the basic necessities of the education.
Really, my friend,
so it requires monetary aspect also.
Yeah, they are not financially aware, but government has given primary education scheme, secondary education schemes. If you see, if you compare, if a child is working uneducated, he doesn't even know how to signature, how to write a name, and he is working in a restaurant. Similar, the same child has studied till class 10th. What will be the change if he is working in the same environment? The same child can work in a tea stall, and the same child can work in a coaching institute, as a receptionist or anything like that. Anything, but a better place than that.
Yes, I totally agree with the point. When a child is born, it gives the ultimate happiness to the family. The parents, the proud parents actually, they become so used to their child. But the poverty of India, actually, the bad culture of India, especially the rural areas, the father goes out, drinks, and then beats his wife, and then finally sleeps. He have no responsibility of anything. Then the whole responsibility comes to the child, and then with all the responsibilities, go and do the child labor. Yes.
I would like to add some points to what you are saying. What you are saying is from the perspective of an emotional and from a well.
No, my dear friend, I don't
most
think
of you belong to a well family.
No,
I
don't think that I'm
okay,
speaking on an emotional background.
Let me come.
There is 20% unemployed per thousand in India. You are employing child laborers and you are giving unemployment 20 per thousand. Why don't you employ that 20 in that?
Yes, why exactly? Why?
And my point is, why are those 20 out of 1,000 are unemployed? Because either we don't have the opportunities or they're not up to the level. And if they're not up to the level,
you don't have
Actually,
opportunities.
As for the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, which is mandatory, that it mandates that 14 years every child should get the education.
Yeah.
So it's every child's right to get educated till the age of 14. And plus, if it's about his survival, how will he survive if there is no earning member in his family?
I agree with him. He said Article 23. No? Article 23 is rightly apt to those small children. They have the right to choose, and according to their conditions in which they are living, if you go tell them, please leave this job and come, I will make you educate, they will not come.
We are not talking here of exceptions. We are not talking here of exceptions that the person or the father dies in the family and the child doesn't have anybody to earn. These are exceptions. I am talking of general that the children are.
Survival
My
instincts
friends,
of the
if you're
child.
talking about the different
How will he
industries,
survive?
there are there are always some children work in a different industry. Like if you're talking about the textile industry, in the manufacturing industry, and in the different industry, they are work with your own.
And what about the dhaba?
Own desire.
The children serve
So
food
they work with your own desire, and they want to their parents, and they also work in a and after that they survive because
That is what I am
because
saying.
they don't.
That is what I am
My
saying.
friend, I would
Do
like
you
to
have
say-
any alternate plans?
If a father is
If he
working
will
along
not
with
work,
his child
if
in
the
the
child
same
will not
industry,
work,
if a father is working along with his child in the same industry, the family will remain working through generation in the same industry, they will not rise up in
That
That depends on the person. That depends on. Okay, I'll give you an example of Dhirubhai Ambani.
Father is earning 200 per month,
Yeah.
the child will earn 200 per month. If father is working 200 per month, let his mother also contribute something just in home and make that child study something. And after 10 years, that child will earn the 1,000 per
what
month.
I'm pointing out, that Sarva
it
Shiksha
depends on
Abhiyan
the perspective in which
provides
you are
every
taking
child
child
to be
labor.
studied at the age of 14, and we pay 3% tax. Education says we don't care to see where the money is being spent.
I don't find any
But
harm.
it is not enough because 32.7%
So we-
of the Indian population is still below the poverty line.
That's what. How will they survive? If a guy does work for 2 hours in a
Why
company,
then parents
in a
have
company,
taken the burden to bear a child?
he is polishing
They should
himself
not
for
bear
his
the burden
future.
of a child.
I-
They cannot bear the child.
If we take it in that
It is just
perspective,
because
I
of
think it is
racial
helpful to
living
him.
standard.
He can
I'm
study.
not saying
Plus,
that
we
every
should
person
refer to
to
Being a
of
birth of
Chinese
a child
economy.
is just a desire.
Chinese economy has been booming since 1970s, and they are using their human resources very, very well. And we see this.
They are using their young but 15 plus,
I'm
18
talking about
plus.
14 above
Huh.
children.
I am
But
not
the
saying
child
that
labor
every
means
child
child
should be
labor
an
is
engineer,
very
every child should be a doctor. I am saying that every child should have
Talking about
that
the
much of
basic
education that he
basic-
can realize what practical and rational things are. That he can decide that this person is not taking me to the
That's
pitfalls.
what I'm
The
talking about. We are
students-
paying for
the-
that, but we do not care to see if it's what about
You know,
the money
I
we are
still
spending
remember
on.
you said that diamond
Okay,
comes out.
my dear friend, I'd like to point out, we have been talking about the state of idealism. Yes, no child should work. But the fact is, question arises about India. India is a growing economy. And through the developmental stages, when the ideal situation in utopia does not exist, we do not have the resources for such a child, and neither do we have the capabilities to impart training and make them skillful. Even when engineers, they are only 8% or 14% of them are employable. Right now, we do not have the forces to equip every child in the working mode, neither we can educate them. Then what happens? If you have read David Copperfield, Industrial Evolution, when it was taking place, most of the children, even the advanced countries, they were also working as child labor. If you see all the folklore of China, today they are developing, but in the starting, the beginning, they also evolved through child labor.
So
Why?
are you-
Why?
are you-
Empty minds the devil's workshop. You see, as my friend rightly pointed out, 32.7% people are below poverty line. The average per capita income of India is 4,000 rupees a month, for which nothing can be made. And in this, if you incorporate that below the poverty line, it's roughly around 2,000 rupees. Basic necessities also cannot be met. So if there are more mouths, they all earn, then only they can feed themselves. If they will not,
what I am putting forward
strongly
is
agree
what
with
I
his points.
am what I am putting forward is we are on a wrong question. We are saying that we want to raise our economy on the weak shoulders of the children, and where
What will
the
the
strongest shoulders, we term them as political leaders, are doing 300 scams per year
Now,
of
my
crores
question
and
is,
crores.
I think we are taking a divergent view.
Yeah.
Yes, Indian political system, but the fact is right now, if India has to do well, it has to do well in the two fields, whether it's economy, okay? The first economic consideration, why India is supposed to be a good place, because it has got cheap labor. And frankly, most of the exports is other crafts, obviously the carpets, the gems and jewelry, where you need nimble hands. The children, the packing and all exporting, because you get cheap labor, you are competitive in the world market. That in the farms, our production cost is much lesser because there are so many children who go and work in the farms.
Sir, I agree with
In every, we are able to survive with lesser charges on any street, dhabas, or any services which we get, we normal people, because they are hardly paying any child labor. If the child labor goes,
I really agree with you, but if you cite an example, I am not saying that every child should be in a highly educated. If he is studying till 10th or 12th through a government scheme, if he
no, my dear friend, the
cite
fact is,
example of Germany.
what will happen, because we do not have the social security scheme. If there are 3 children, they are getting 800 rupees a month, so it is adding 2,400 to the coffers. If they will not start working, they will only be studying. The father who is already drinks, as a 32.7% of India's population, there are 32 crore people. What will they do? How will they manage it? Then they will become bandits. They will become basically
It
thieves,
is basically
their moral and emotional fabric will go away.
So do you think that children working
Sir.
in industries, they are working in
They are
Harvard,
sectors.
they are really having moral ethics? What the children having that is pushed to an industry where all the
At least they are surviving. They are, otherwise,
And
they
they
do
are
not have
surviving.
alternatives.
And they are surviving. And
Actually,
after
the
5
biological
years,
reason
and
is
after
that-
5 years,
Sir,
they
10
become
minutes
chain
are over.
snatchers.
No, who said? The biggest example is Dhirubhai Ambani. He started fueling
We
and
are
since he
not
was
taking.
No, I think we are not talking about child labor. We are not talking about child labor. The fact is, if that many chain snatchers, then probably India would have. Do you know the number of child laborers are 14 point? It's around
It is
14.5 billion.
in 2011.
Yeah. So it's around 1.6 crore. Our total working population will be something about how much? Around 20 crores. Okay, because 1 in 6 people work. That is the Indian system, out of which 1/6 is children. So therefore, definitely I like to talk about, if the children go away, the backbone of our industries, all the general merchant shops will go away, all the dhabas will go away. Okay, most of the industries, you know.
Parents, it is the responsibility of parents to
not
bring the
saying
child
that.
up. So
Sir,
what
11
are the
minutes
parents doing?
over.
They are just taking the
No, but
rural.
we are
But I am
asking what are the
basically not
alternatives
responsible
if
for
it doesn't
that.
work, what are the alternatives he
If
has?
you talk about the execution
Doesn't
they
work.
are getting,
No, I am not saying
It
that.
doesn't
a person who has to
That-
stand will stand on his stand. You know, a person who is to stand will come up in life if he has to come up in life. If he desires
Right now, Indian society has created a structure where the children are working. Yes, it should be phased out. I think Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, when he started giving unemployed allowance, the social security, those schemes, if they keep coming slowly, this population can be turned into a better resource. But till the time they are not there for the nuisance value, because we just cannot, like,
help immediately. Giving you there was 12.3 million child laborers in India in 2001, and they are now 16.5 in 2000. Are we not depending?
But can we just
being a
move them
backbone?
on?
We are giving a structure to them.
We cannot immediately
We want to
change
curb them.
things.
Don't want to give a structure or increase the level. We want to curb that. Where the government is providing schemes.
Sir, 12 minutes
As
over.
sir mentioned,
But
that
for the sake of
unemployment
the reason of economy, we
allowance.
cannot take the rights of the
बस
child.
ठीक है, एक second.